almost 6 months. This is Grace, and this is Charlotte. They'll be 6 months on Monday, and we're giving them their first taste of baby food, homemade baby food, peas and carrots.
Who's going first?
Alright, you go first. Okay, who wants some carrots? Like much smaller amount than that one. Like barely any on the spoon, like this.
Mommy knows what she's doing already.
Ooh.
Look on Charlotte's face like, what are you doing? You want this? You want it? Whoa. You want that? Whoa. She's trying to grab it. Oh, okay. Oh, she's taking it. She did it.
Okay.
Oh,
okay.
Grace is like, I want some.
What do you think? What do you think, Charlotte? Okay, that's pretty good. Oh, round 2. She's just chewing on the spoon. Good job. Grace?
Let's see what Grace has got going on.
Grace, what do you want to get? Grace. She wants some.
Ready?
Yeah.
She's
Ready,
like,
Grace?
hey, hey.
Ready? Ready?
Whoa. Whoa. She wants it.
Ew. Ready?
That's peas.
Peas.
You're
eating.
You're eating. We thought the same thing at the same time. It's fun.
You're eating, Grace.
You're eating. Yeah.
Oh. It's on Charlotte, say it.
Is that good?
Char baby, you're getting to know those carrots.
All right. Want some more?
She wants it. She's like, we're like, let me have it.
Grace is like. Want some more?
Okay, I'm gonna put some more on there. I'm gonna put some more in there. Let go. Let go. Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, yeah.
Hey, Grace, you want to try some more? Ready?
Yeah. It's
Ready?
fun, huh? Yeah.
Ooh.
She already splatted it once. Nice.
You can spit it out if you want. You don't have to eat it.
Oh.
Oh, she does not like it.
Oh.
God. No, she's vomiting, I think. She really doesn't like it.
This is a new taste for her.
Here.
You're okay, baby. Just play with the spoon. You sweet girl. Sometimes that happens.
Whoa!
Yeah, I want the carrots.
Let's try the
Whoa,
carrots.
Charlotte, you look cute. Sure.
Two spoons.
Okay. Well, at least you tried it. Charlotte, look at me. Show me all the food on your face. Oh, she doesn't know. It's video.
Charlotte. Hi.
You want to taste it, Grace?
You like the carrots. Here's Daddy.
Don't zero it on me. You want it?
First carrots.
First
okay.
carrots. Oh.
Oh dear.
We don't like those
We
yet.
have a picky eater on our
Uh-oh.
I think it's the texture she doesn't like. Oh, okay, thank you.
You know, they don't smell so great either.
Whoa.
Well, Charlotte seems to enjoy it.
Yes.
Gracie. You can smush it. Look. Just give her something to play with. Yummy.
Get it back there in your taste buds.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oops.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, don't give it back to her. Okay, I'll get this one then.
Grace.
You She gagged.
I know.
She vomited.
That might mean that she's not ready for it yet, because I read that if they gag like that, their tongue thrust thing is still too strong, and you should wait wait another week or so before trying again. Charlotte, you found your.
She might just not like the peas.
Oh, you just got hit.
Oh, you're getting messed on.
Here, let's show. Mommy just got it on her first vision.
Yeah, let me make sure you guys.
Go, Charlotte, go. You're doing a good job with that spoon.
Yeah.
Oh, and Grace, you just like to play. That's okay.
Get Grace's tray.
You're a bit of a mess.
Oh, hey. What is it?
Aggressive. Oh, you're about to get really chilly.
I'm in the splash zone.
Look at the difference between the two trays.
Is it
They started out the
Charlotte
same.
still has her spoon.
Is it yummy?
Grace has lost both of hers.
Is it yummy?
Is she put it in her mouth yet? Or is she just playing?
Not really.
She's just having fun.
Yeah. Do you
Hey.
want to do? What's this on her tummy? Is she gonna scratch?
I think it's just smeared carrot.
No, that's the scratch right there.
Oh.
Shut your mouth. Look at
Yeah. Eat. That's a carrot. Eat. Yeah, just a little bit in your mouth. You can still play with this. You just gotta taste it. Oh, you're filthy. Here, here's your spoon. Oh, there's some spit. Good job. You didn't like that one yet? Just one more spoon. Yummy! Yay! Carrot! Yay!
Try to smile, Mom, but
I don't think I
tastes
can.
gross. This isn't like your milk.
This is homemade food, girls.
There we go.
Here we go. Time
Add
to
some rain
play.
into it. Kick it up.
Look at the look on Charlotte's face. It's just like,
Charlotte,
this is
Grace?
not good. This is...
Did she try to use it?
Oh, nice shot.
Great, Charlotte.
Not like it. Maybe we should try cereal. It's a little more non-offensive or inoffensive. Grace is currently painting her bumbo chair with baby food. Yummy!
Your spoon's right here. Look. Doesn't that feel slimy?
Look on her face.
Oh. You gonna get Daddy? Charlotte's like, what are you doing?
I know. What is Grace doing?
Grace.
Grace, what are you doing?
Trying to escape.
What are you doing?
She's fascinated.
Good job, Char. Here's your spoon.
She's like, but it has food on it. I want a clean spoon. Give me a clean spoon so I can chew. Yum. Hi, Daddy.
Hey.
I got some food on your leg.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, there we go, Grace. Oh, here we go.
Oh yeah. I know. I know.
It's fun to eat.
Oh, okay, now we're getting over to the goods. Charlotte.
Boo. Boo. Hey. Hey. What you doing?
Oh, what are you looking for?
Oh, yes, I do.
Oh, that's dirty.
Yeah. Good job. Be careful, don't choke yourself. Yum.
Chairman.
Yum.
That was fun.
Want some peas?
Wasn't really any on there.
She's like, that's how I like it.
I think the peas are not
Trying
good.
to spit it out.
They don't like the pea.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay, baby. Keep it down.
I think it's just the pea is gross. Good to know.
It's kind of a weird color.
Well, it's because the carrots are sweet.
Nice.
Fail.
Yeah. Well, you tried it.
You gotta try it 12 times before you know whether you like it or not.
Grace is like, forget you.
What's that?
Hey! 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 Yeah. Oh, yeah! Oh! Oh!
Your sister a little closer? Yeah?
Hey!
Yeah. Charlotte, that's good. That's good. Oh, you want your sister's tray?
It's like, what can I get? That's mine.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, right in the hair.
Oh, is that right? Oh, is that right?
You like your first food? Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
Tell me more.
Yummy.
Tell me more.
Yummy.
I'm getting splashed over here.
Ew.
Good thing we didn't mop the floor yet.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Interesting.
Oh, yeah.
Rub it all over.
That's fun.
Look at Charlotte's trays. She's like scooping it onto herself.
They're like, more food.
Hands on the foot. Hi.
Grace,
They're like, this is a fun little powwow.
Eat.
yeah. You like to eat?
Your hands look orange.
Oh, Charlotte, you got it in your your chin folds there.
Hey. Hey.
Eat? Charlotte, eat?
She's shutting her eyes because she's splashed.
Just got it on her face. We'll go too. Hey. Hey, sweetie. Oh, look at you.
So I guess we'll have baths tonight, huh? Yeah.
No, we don't need it. Just use a baby wipe.
All in her hair.
Yummy.
What would happen if Charlotte put her hand in her mouth now?
She would probably gag. That was good. Yay! Eat. Eat. You did it.
I'm gonna turn it off.
You good girl.